Hey, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company. Let's make this gorgeous bow. We're going to start with 3 ribbons. My base ribbon is going to be this beautiful velvet red. I love this. It's just a classic bright cherry Christmas red. And I'm going to take this and start by making my 2 first loops, twisting in the middle so that the pretty side, the velvet side, is out. I love this. It's just a beautiful, gorgeous ribbon. You can see I've lopsided this bow. I have 2 of my loops on one side, 1 loop on the other. And I'm going to repeat this pattern with every layer that I do. It's so simple and so easy, and it just makes a really cool, funky bow. That's what I love about it. This next ribbon that I've used, the gold, is shiny. It has jewels on it, and it's gorgeous. And then I'm going to go with my final loops, and that's going to be this pretty blue velvet. It's like a little 1-inch, very thin, very fine ribbon. It just adds lots of interest and texture. I just love it. It's going to look so good on my tree. Repeating the same process again with 2 loops on one side, 1 on the other, and just alternating that back and forth. And then finally, before I tie my bow, I'm going to adjust all the loops kind of where I want them, right? I want my bow to look fully rounded. I'm going to take and turn over my bow just like I'm checking the time on my watch, as one person once said. And then I'm going to clip my zip ties, 1 zip tie securing the bow, the other zip tie is there to secure it to my tree or my wreath or wherever I'm going to use my bow. Again, fluffing those one more time, and then I'm going to cut and dovetail all the ends of my ribbon. And then I'm going to end up taking, especially this really pretty jeweled portion, I'm going to just curl it so that those little tendrils are going to come cascading out of my ribbon and out of my bow when I put this on the tree. So I'm going to cascade all of those, curling them just slightly. Of course, it's wired, so it's going to stay really nice and pretty. And I just love this bow. I think I put it on the tree, and it just made my tree come to life. And look at how you can just shape every single inch of that ribbon to make it do exactly what you want. That is why you want to buy quality ribbon. Quality ribbon is going to have that staying power, and of course, it's gorgeous. Look at the sparkle on this tree. Shop all these products on our website, ambermarieandco.com. Thanks, guys.